Hello, guys. Welcome to Strength Trainers YouTube channel. So today, what we are going to do is we are going to do some specific topic in trigonometry, that is remembering the trigonometric values. I think sometimes students find it very difficult to remember all the trigonometric values, like what is sine 30 degree value, what is sine 60 degree value, or what is sine 90 degree value, or what is cos 30 degree, cos 60 degree, etc. etc. So, and the ways that you learn in school is most of them is either you cram all the values, and by the end of the chapter or when your exam is there, and we hope that we remember them. Or sometimes in some schools I have seen some teachers telling students use triangles like this. You have to remember these triangles, these angles. This is 45 45, so they are equal. So 1 1 root 2 like this. So this will give me sine 45 as opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2 like this, which is very hectic. And you have to remember 2 3 4 triangles and then all the values. It takes lot of time. So I was looking for the best method in this whole world to remember these trigonometric values, or this whole table that you can see right now. Theta from 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. All values of sine, cosine and tangent. So I have come up with a very good method to remember all this, and with the minimum of cramming that you have to do in this. So let's start this quickly. So what you have to do is first make a table like this: 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Obviously you know the angles, and currently we are doing for sine, cosine and tan. And if you are in year 1, year 2, you can further do it for secant, cosecant and cotangent also. Okay, so now this is especially for year 9, year 10, because they don't, in some papers they have non-calculator paper, they are not allowed to use calculators. Okay, so what you have to do is simply start from 0. You can see this is 0 degrees, so start from 0. So I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, this is very easy. Now divide by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, and again by 2. Next thing you have to do is just one more thing: take square root on all the values. So square root of 0, square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4. That's it, done. So these are the values for sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. As you can see, we know square root of 0 is 0, so this is 0. Square root of 1 is 1, so it will give me 1 by 2. And sine 45 is square root 2 over 2. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Now sine 90. Now root 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. So as you can see very clearly, I have used a very simple method. I started from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide by 2. And then take square root on numerator terms. Now for cosine terms, what you will do? Very simple. What you have to do is just write everything in reverse. Now you know this value is 1, right? So we start from 90 degree. So this is 1, and then next value is root 3 over 2. Next value is root 2 over 2. I am writing all the values in reverse order. 1 by 2, 0. That's it, done. So these are the values for cosine. Last is how to find tangent. Everyone knows tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So we know this. So just divide them. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 over this is 1 by square root of 3. And this is nothing but both are same. So it should give you 1. What is this? Root 3. And 1 divided by 0. You can't divide 1 by 0. That is not defined. You can't divide any number by 0. That is not defined. So that's it. This is the way to remember this trigonometric table. And I think this is the best way, fastest way, and you have to use minimum cramming in this. Thanks a lot. If you find all this useful, please like and subscribe the channel. It gives me motivation when I see the likes and comments to make more videos like this. If you want us to make video of some specific topic, please do mention in the comments. And thanks for watching STEM Trainers.